मेरा 5 लाख का बजट है, कैन यू डू अ 2 BHK flat?
2 BHK 5 लाख के बजट में. Wow.
My dad, he's like, being a Gujarati, he's like, आपने तो कोई ना अंडर काम नहीं करवानू. Really पैसा है, I've seen
Alright.
it.
Okay.
I mean, I've seen they have a BMW, they have a Mercedes, but still they are
फिर भी
like,
नहीं दे रहे.
फिर भी नहीं उनसे पैसे छूट रहे तो भी क्या करें? And who said कि like you only have to be number one? I'm like, if I'm happy in being number two, it's okay.
Nice. Love that. Hi guys, welcome to a brand new show called Sip or Spill, where secrets are sipped and truths are spilled. On the hot seat, we have Ria, who is the principal architect of Studio Redesigns. I can't wait. There's a lot of controversy gonna happen, or will she speak the truth? Let's find out. On to you. I know you have given so many interviews.
Not so many.
Oh,
Only
come
a
on.
few.
She's a content creator, by the way, so I think
I
she's
just started it. I'm still
Okay.
not on that stage. But hopefully I'll be there one time.
I think you're doing fab. I think
Thank
your
you.
Instagram says a lot. But really want to understand who you are as an individual and why did you choose this profession?
Okay, hi guys. So this is Ria Javeri here from Studio Redesigns. And yeah, so interior designing is something
Right.
I really like doing it because
Okay.
like when we were small, just decorating small spaces in your home. And also
Right.
my grandfather, he was an artist. So,
Oh, okay.
that thing, it just came to me. And so
Okay.
that was the thing. I mean, nothing more specific about, why I choose interior designing as my
Okay.
career. And yeah, I'm fun.
How
That's
did
it.
how did that passion come in? I mean, at that time when we are choosing our specialization, what was in your mind that time?
I was always clear because I'm a Scorpio.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, the zodiac is coming in.
yeah. I mean, see, there was no other option for me. I mean,
Okay.
I never wanted to do fashion designing.
Okay.
Architecture is really not my thing. So I was always clear, like, no, interiors is something I really want to do, and I
Okay.
always give 100% in what I do, and I love what I do. So passion is what you follow. So
Okay.
that's the thing.
So you were clear from the
I
start.
was very clear. Yeah.
No backup plans.
No, nothing at all.
Okay.
And I'm the only one in my family.
With an interior.
Yeah,
Oh,
like I
wow.
had no backup, no friends, no family into this business.
Okay.
So whoever I am today is all by myself. Like,
Oh,
yeah.
nice. So no nepotism in that.
Nothing. No nepotism.
Okay. So when did you start your firm?
I started like after COVID, like, getting my
okay.
own sites, like, good sites, wherein my first project was a duplex flat.
Oh, wow.
What I did.
Okay.
Obviously, that was a relative's flat.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I started. So that's, yeah.
Okay. So this is back when? When are we talking about? After COVID 2020?
I think my first project started in COVID.
Oh,
like 2020.
wow.
Like I
Okay.
think Sunday was the day when like the whole India was shut, and
Okay.
yeah. So and then Monday I had to start my site.
All right.
So Monday it just got off, and then Tuesday only like when the COVID was on, my
Okay.
site was also on. So it started.
How did you manage that?
It happened. I mean, see, obviously there were like shortage of workers and all of that.
Okay.
But it happened, yeah. But it took a really lot of long time to complete that site. But then it happened because
Okay.
I already took the advance. Everything was done.
Okay.
I was like, I cannot back off. And this was my first project, and I wanted to do that.
Right.
It happened.
Okay. So how was that first ching?
It was really good. I
Okay.
mean, I really liked it. Also, I never imagined like like my first project would be a duplex flat
Yeah,
or
I
something
mean-
like that, because always I've heard a story that I started by designing a small bathroom or maybe
Right.
just renovating a living room, but I
Right.
was lucky enough that I just
Okay.
got the whole project.
Mm-hmm.
And so yeah.
Okay.
And obviously my mom, she's my biggest supporter. So she's
Okay.
like, kari le. I'm like, okay, fine, I'll do it. So it happened. Yeah, obviously there were challenges
Right.
because of COVID and, convincing the clients,
Right.
we have to do this and all of that. Because, they were also new to me.
Right.
I mean, not new, but they were like, okay, fine, this is like your first project, what we are giving
Yeah.
it to you. I mean, so I want to, give that confidence in them. So that was a bit task, but it happened.
How do you go about, because it's your first project and it's very important to build trust
Yeah.
between you and the client. Can you just elaborate on that journey? How do you get that client?
So firstly, I said that the client was my relative.
Yeah.
So I mean, you can say 50 to 80% of the trust
Yeah.
is what I'd gained.
Okay.
Yeah, and then obviously being true to your profession and being
Right.
true to your clients, like in any aspect, whether it's designing, it's buying anything. So it happened, and yeah, so I mean, gaining trust was never an issue for me because I was
Okay.
very clear from day one. Like from the day we started the site till the last day, I was very clear.
Yeah.
Like there are no loops and holes and all of that, wherein the client would feel that okay, fine, should I trust her or not?
Yeah.
So I was clear. I'm like, nahi, ye karna hai to ye karna hai. If
Okay.
not this, so not this. So even they had a picture very clear in their head. So they were like having faith in me. They had a faith in me, which
Okay.
really helped them a lot, which helped me a lot, and it happened.
The reason why I'm asking is because the upcoming generation of architects and interior designers, when they are on their own, here you're lucky because it was your relative.
Yeah, the stars were with
Yeah,
me.
the stars are aligned. But if it's someone new and they are like just fresh from the batch, how do they approach? What should be their mindset?
For that, I feel, see, they have to do it. I mean,
Okay.
you have to, firstly, so you have to have a trust on yourself that
Okay.
you will be able to do that project or not.
Right.
And then I feel today's generation is more honest about what they want to do.
Really?
So it's easy for, and I feel it's easy for today's generation to get clients
Okay.
because of the social media.
True.
And also word of mouth helps a lot.
Okay.
But so it's not a big issue for today's generation to
True.
trust. Trust is never an issue now, I
Okay.
feel.
Oh, really? Because
Yeah, I mean, not in relationships, but in sites and in career, definitely, yes.
got it.
Because I feel people nowadays are very smart enough
Okay.
to, trust also the designer. I mean, even the clients, they like, search a lot of things and then
Right.
they come to you. So when they come to you,
Yeah.
that means, okay, fine, they have already researched about you when they are
True.
here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
See, either on social media, maybe Facebook or Instagram or anywhere they have at least seen or known you, only then they will approach you. And
True.
other than that, though, there are relatives, like, starting mein jisko sites
Yeah.
nahi milta hai. So relatives and friends, so they are the first ones, because they know कि okay, fine, we have a designer in our home. So वो trust factor starting का जो होता है उसमें ही रहता है. But then after then, it just happens.
Okay. What is that major challenge you face in your profession today?
Major challenge.
Yeah.
Client से पैसे निकालना.
Oh, is it?
Client से पैसे निकालना.
Okay.
It's a challenge. Yeah.
Is it?
I mean, I don't know, somehow or the other, I mean, end में कुछ ना कुछ तो वो हो ही जाता है. So they are
Okay.
like, no, I feel इतना ही होता है. I mean, you have charged so much. Can you just
Right.
give us some discount? I mean, we
Okay.
don't know you.
Okay.
So just give us that benefit and all of that. I'm like, okay, fine. But I have not given my 80% or 90%. I have always given my 100%.
Okay.
So that is a challenge.
Okay.
But now I'm used to it.
Client से पैसे निकालना is a
Yeah,
challenge.
I'm used to it. I mean,
Good.
clients के पास पैसा है. Like,
Okay.
really पैसा है. I've seen
Alright.
it.
Okay.
I mean, I've seen they have a BMW, they have a Mercedes, but still they are
फिर भी
like,
नहीं दे रहे.
फिर भी नहीं उनसे पैसे छूट रहे, तो भी क्या करें? ठीक है.
So how do you get it out?
Okay.
Aha.
Let's skip it.
Okay, good. Going back to the professional, how do you go about a client once a client is on board? Just take us through that process. Okay, you got a client. Now,
Yeah.
how do you go about it?
So we have a couple of meetings like
Okay.
lined up first. So wherein we like discuss ourselves.
Right.
Like I also take care about what he is feeling and what he wants or what he has visioned for his home, because that is more important. I
Right.
mean, client has always visualized कि उसको कैसे घर में रहना है, because
Yeah.
he is building his home. I don't know after how many years.
Right.
I mean, I have met clients जिसका ये first घर है, like
Yeah.
first home they've bought.
Right.
So वो छोटे छोटे उनके जो अरमान होते हैं, so those things I really take care of.
Okay.
And then we have another meeting where we have presentation done, where the mood boards are set.
Okay.
Where I also try to give them my inputs. Where I feel this is looking much better than what you have thought, and
Right.
trust me, this will really look nice.
Okay.
So there are some clients who are very okay with what designers want to do. So that is is the thing. And then we start with the planning and AutoCAD drawings, and we also provide 3Ds to some of the clients.
Okay.
And so he has a proper idea of what his space would look,
Okay.
and then the selection process and all of that. So it goes.
Okay.
So it's like step by step we have to do. So start from the presentation till handing over the site. It's
Okay.
a different journey only, I would say, but it's a good
And
good
how
part.
many people are there in your team right now?
I have in my team,
Yeah.
I am the whole and soul right now.
Oh,
so I'm
wow.
the one who does AutoCAD drawings, who
Is
does
it?
3D,
Okay.
who makes presentation, who goes for selection.
Okay.
And sometimes I only do photo shoots of the site.
All-rounder, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So yeah.
So you're handling your own bubble.
Yes.
Amazing, amazing. Yeah, question to you: how do you handle Pinterest clients?
I mean, that's a good question.
Yeah.
But even sometimes we also Pinterest.
Oh, is it you?
Yeah, we
Okay.
see, like, how do we prepare mood boards?
Okay.
How do we give them presentation? Is
Oh.
what we see on Pinterest or on Behance or anywhere we see.
Mm-hmm.
So that is how we do. And I mean, people also like go Pinterest only.
Okay.
Like they want this, they want this. But yeah, I mean, there's one thing that we definitely tell them: ki exact same look you won't get. There would be like 19-20 ka difference to
Okay.
rahega. Because the space what they have
Right.
and the space what they have seen on Pinterest, it's all maybe Photoshop kiya hai ya
Okay.
whatever it is, or maybe the camera angle or all of that. So for example, I had one client.
Yeah.
They had a small room.
Okay.
So they wanted to do a blue color because they had seen
Oh.
somewhere. I'm like,
Okay.
small room mein blue color is not. So it was a
Yeah.
task for me to, just because they had a boy.
Okay.
So they wanted to do the blue color. I'm
Right.
like, this is not good.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, apparently they got to know. So we changed it. But
Okay.
theek hai, it's manageable.
Oh, okay. You're the first person who said, like,
Yeah, it's
Pinterest.
manageable. Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, we also find references. Like, we
Right.
also see, it's very important to be in touch with what the trend is,
Right.
to see what all new things that you can do on social media or
Okay.
Pinterest. See, either it's Pinterest or Instagram or anything. It's
Yeah.
social media.
Right.
It's out everywhere.
Okay.
So yeah.
Okay.
And there's no harm in like searching Pinteresty things. I mean, I love it.
Okay. I'm actually shocked because you're the first.
Yeah, I like Pinterest. I mean,
Okay.
either it's for fashion
Okay.
or for styling apartment or
Right.
anything. Because I like seeing things.
Okay.
So yeah.
So your creative aspect is Pinterest or
Not only Pinterest, also
Okay.
traveling. I mean, I love traveling. I've done my styling from London. So
Oh, wow.
yeah, I was there for a
Okay.
month.
Okay,
So I was out there all alone,
Okay.
with my friends. It was a
Okay.
course from London School of Trends.
Mhm.
So, traveling also made my mind more clearer rather than,
Right.
just going on Pinterest. I also searched things what, I've clicked.
Okay.
Like, where I was in London. So, those arches, those European thing, those museums they have, those exhibition centers. So, you click those pictures and
Right.
you try to inculcate that in your
Okay.
this thing. So, Pinterest, and obviously, see, traveling, so
Traveling is like,
definitely
yeah.
it changes your mind, your perception
Right.
to everything.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I do.
You had mentioned about trend. Do you believe in following the trend?
I believe in following the trend, but you can also get trolled. Either you can
Okay.
get trolled or you can be a trend. So yeah, I mean, following the trend is good, but I still believe that, sticking to those old things
Right.
also, and not just, falling for that, because trends come and like trends will change.
Right, right.
What
Sure.
will be constant is what you have preached and what you have practiced.
Correct, for sure.
So that's the thing.
So when we speak about trends, okay, now people, for example, we're having the neoclassical trend come back in. So do you incorporate it, like if you have a recent project coming in?
I have.
Okay.
I have already completed that project. Like,
Okay.
after coming from London, I had my site in Andheri. So I have inculcated those neoclassical theme.
Okay.
The flutes, the
Right,
moldings, the
right.
arches,
Right.
and those cornices and all of that. So I've done that. Yeah.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah. I
Okay.
follow that.
You're very versatile.
Yeah. I mean, it's like, just go with the flow. You're liking it, you do it. You don't like it, change it. It's okay. I mean,
Oh.
I'm not someone ki na yehi chahiye to yehi chahiye. I mean, you can change. See, I have also met a client
Right.
who gave me a much better idea than what even I had thought.
Oh, wow.
So there's no harm, I mean, just listening to them. But yeah,
Okay.
every time you can't just
Right.
listen to them. But many a times you can.
Okay. Another question regarding the social media. Do you believe if you put projects out there, that's only काम मिलेगा? Or do you still believe in the old methods that still word of mouth is still there in the market?
I believe it's both.
Okay.
I mean, word of mouth would work, but also social media, because from
Okay.
social media you can get clients from anywhere.
Okay.
And word of mouth is somewhere where you are restricted to. I mean, word of mouth, अगर मैंने आपको बोला, आपने किसी को बोला, so it's your circle and my circle, so वैसे. But if it's on social media, you
Right.
get good, I mean, not good, but clients from everywhere.
Okay.
So yeah, I mean, I believe in both.
Mm-hmm.
But once you are in that stage where you want to start it, so I don't think that social media is helpful first.
Okay.
Because word of mouth would help.
Okay.
And then when you get those projects, you start uploading and on
Right.
social media and on Instagram, and then you can get your clients. But
Okay.
yeah, it helps. Both of them helps. Like social media has been a boon to me right now.
I can see that.
So, yeah.
Yeah, you're doing fab in it, I must
Yeah.
say. But with all this technology in place and AI coming in, does it hamper when it comes to, clients sending in images and it's a 3D from
Yeah.
generated from maybe ChatGPT or
I know.
so is there
AI, see, there is like a coin always has the two sides. I
Yes.
mean, AI is been a boon also and also a curse. But boon in the sense where it's very easy for us to generate plans, like what we were just sitting there and doing it on AutoCAD and all that.
Yeah.
So it had helped us also, and I have never found AI as a negative thing. So till now, I have not found AI as a negative thing.
Okay.
So I have no idea about it.
Oh, so like I feel like you are following how the generation goes
Yeah,
on.
I mean, I can't sit back and thinking, nahi, AI aa gaya, to abhi kya kar-" I mean, AI has really helped me in getting 3Ds done in a very good way.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and ChatGPT helps a lot.
Yeah,
So,
I agree with you.
Yeah, so
So, but do you still stick to the old roots of sketching and drawing?
I like sketching.
Okay.
I do,
Okay.
but not like not the whole living room or whole
Yeah.
bedroom. But
Okay.
definitely some pieces wherein I feel okay, fine, we should do something more different, like the furniture piece or maybe
Right.
a art piece or maybe a center table, something like that. So
Okay.
that is okay if I sketch. But yeah, I like sketch.
Okay, you like
I like to write a lot also. So
Okay.
sketching just happens, just scribbling, doodling. Yeah, I like
think
it.
that's where the connect came, where you drew inspiration.
Yeah, I mean, correct.
Okay.
So my grandfather was also an artist, like I told
Yeah.
you. So like he used to make drawings and projects when we were in school, like
Okay.
those models, those
Right.
small architectural
Yeah, yeah.
models. So I was just sitting there, just doodling things. I mean, तब तो कुछ पता ही नहीं था कि वो
Yeah.
क्या कर रहे हैं.
Right.
But yeah, I've done, but not like the whole living room and all of that. I have not sketched
Okay.
yet.
When your parents came to know that this is the profession you want to get into, what was their reaction?
My mom, she gave me like 100% support.
Okay.
But she also like आईना दिखाया कि हमारे आगे पीछे किसी ने ये किया नहीं है.
Right.
So I don't know कि it would be easy for you to get a job or not. So that was the only thing she mentioned.
Okay.
Like before me jumping into this career.
Right.
But she was always supportive, I told you.
Okay.
She never said ki don't do. She never used that word ki no, you should not do this, you
Yeah.
should do this. I mean, it's easy, you'll get a good job
Right.
and all of that. But yeah, she just said ki okay, fine, you are the only one who is into this thing, so you
Yeah.
only have to be
Yeah.
your own backbone, you only
Right.
have to do it. So, and she knew that kuch bhi हाँ ये afford लेगी, ये कर लेगी. So yeah, and I did.
So being the only one in the family, did you feel pressurized to
No.
be the best?
No, never.
Never.
But not the best. It's. I feel it's only me that
Okay.
I feel that I want to be the best,
Okay.
but never the family. No.
Okay.
They are like
nice.
just do good. Yeah, but my dad is like no, नहीं जो तू कर रही है वो
Yeah.
अच्छा ही करना.
Okay.
But that was in a very good way
Right,
what he
right.
mentioned, but not a pressure कि नहीं तुझे ये करना ही है. I mean, see where are your friends, they have reached to that level, so even
Right.
you have to do, because I have friends though like they have done CA and MBA and all of that.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
so they have done, but I feel I am much more in a good space, my own pace.
I
I'm
mean,
living
interior
my
designing is in demand. So
So I'm happy. Like I can't do a 9 to 5 job, to be honest, but still I've done it. I mean
Okay.
that too. I left the job because my dad, he's like, being a Gujarati, he's like, आपने तो कोई ना अंडर काम नहीं करवानू. नहीं नहीं तू तारू खुद को कर. I'm like, okay, fine.
Okay.
So he's like, see, so but my mom, she's like, you have to work under someone to get
Right.
experience.
Yeah.
Because starting में like just after I pass out my college,
Yeah.
I don't know कि starting में कैसे करना है, like
Right.
tile पहले करना है कि like flooring से
Yeah.
पहले electrical wire and all of that जाएगा. So if my
Yeah.
mom, she's like, no, you have to do job.
Okay.
So I did a job for like maybe 2 years, 1.5, 2 years, and then my
Okay.
dad too is like, खुद नोच करो.
Do it
Do
by
your
yourself.
own, do it on
Okay.
yourself, do on your own. You will get good projects. You do, but I had to do the job, so I did, and then I
So
started
was
my
it
own.
was it a job or an internship?
It was a job, not an
Job.
internship. Yeah.
So how was that job experience? Like, what did you
No,
learn?
I don't like job. I don't like it. But no, people should. I mean, it's good that I did a job to get experience,
Okay.
because practicals तो on site ही समझेगा, like
Yeah.
not in college.
Right.
Like when we were in college, just drafting sheets, like drafting all of that won't help actually in practical.
Yeah.
So that thing I learned where I was in my job.
Okay.
So that was a good thing. And
Okay.
yeah, my mentor, like they were also very helpful to me, and it happened. But we have to do a job. I mean,
You
nobody
have to,
would give
okay.
you any project if you don't have any experience.
Okay.
I mean, at least I had something to show
Show,
in my
right,
portfolio that I
right.
was working with someone
Yeah.
when I had done such sites. So that also builds trust in the clients. Okay, fine, she has not
Right.
done her own, but she has worked with someone else.
So she
So
has,
yeah, she has
the
idea.
knowledge and all
Yeah,
that stuff.
exactly. But it's like we have to do a job
Okay.
to get experience.
So
You have
before
to.
starting something of your own, it is very important.
It is very important, yeah.
Okay.
Because technicals तो तभी पता चलेंगे जब भी like on site क्या
So
होगा.
during your job, you were thrown on site.
Yeah,
and
I
all-
was. Like
Okay.
starting 1-2 months, I was not. I had to
Okay.
do my drawings and all of that. I mean, I was very bad in AutoCAD first. So it was in the job where I learned like proper AutoCAD. I mean, I
Oh.
had to Google how many inches is this much feet and all of that. I mean, so in MM to inch and
Right.
all of that. So
Right.
so those things, no, I felt यार 9 to 5 job में क्या ही सीखने मिलेगा, but no, that really helped me a
Really
lot.
helped
Yeah.
you.
We have to do a job.
Okay. And that's you build the confidence to start
Exactly,
something of your
exactly.
own.
I mean, going with my ma'am on site and just seeing her alone, like being the single lady on site, handling so many people.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't have such confidence just passing out of the college and just be
Yeah.
on site and instructing people. I mean, they are like, हम आपको बताएंगे, madam, आप हमको मत बताओ.
Yeah.
I mean, that happens because you don't have knowledge and experience.
Correct, right,
But
true.
when you have learned something, you have gained a power, gained a knowledge. I mean.
Yeah.
So seeing my ma'am doing that, I mean, she's like, when she enters, everybody's like 1, 2, 3 ऐसे खड़े हैं सब line में.
Okay.
So learning those things also is very important. I mean, how you present yourself in front of the clients
Right.
and your contractors. Because there were meetings where the contractors were also there, my ma'am, and the client was also there. So how
Okay.
you talk to your contractor
Mhm.
or your client in front of everyone
Right.
is like you have to experience it.
Right.
You can only
That's
experience when you see it or you are actually present
And you're
on
doing, yeah.
on site and you are doing
That's
that.
true.
Yeah.
Being a female interior designer, and of course there are males in this industry, do you think males still have that power element when it comes to controlling vendors and all that stuff, or that stereotype has been broken?
See, I mean, there are leading ladies in our
Okay.
industry who like does really fab job
Yeah.
as compared to the males. But thoda like we can't just abuse contractors on site.
Right.
I mean, the way they can, we can't. I mean, I can't.
Okay.
And I have not seen any of my ma'am doing that also.
Okay.
Yeah, but I have heard,
Mhm.
like, if a boss is a male,
Right.
so he has that power, like, he can do it. I mean, they do it with very, just like this. And the
Yeah.
contractors also don't feel bad about it.
Okay.
So that is the thing, but I've never feel ki no, females don't, they can be bossy but they can't abuse. I've not seen anybody abuse any contractors.
Okay.
There might be, there might not be. I have not seen, and I can't abuse. No, I can't.
But when it comes to power, like, do the vendors and dealers and distributors, like, do they listen, or they just like, oh, she's a
See,
female, kya
vendors, no, vendors, they listen. Your
Okay.
contractors, if like, you know, you have a good rapport with your contractors, or he's
Right.
been working with you since years, so yeah, he will listen to you.
Okay.
But if there are like, you know, new contractors, so there might be a conflict
Okay.
wherein they don't listen. But at the end, I feel it's a designer's this thing,
Okay.
that, you know, to get the things done. And I feel nowadays it's nothing
It's
that
not like
nobody listens.
Have you ever faced a situation?
Yeah, I have.
Okay.
In my first project.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they are like, मैडम हम आपको बताते हैं ना ऐसा करना है, अरे ऐसा ही अच्छा लगेगा.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. So how did you tackle that situation?
I mean, then I had to show him the drawing, the reference कि नहीं भैया ऐसे करना है
Yeah,
इसको,
okay.
इसको आप ऐसे ही करो. So
Okay.
then, but it's like एक बार में नहीं होता है वो.
Okay.
Like एक बार में बोला तो he did not do, दो बार में बोला he did not, but then I made sure कि नहीं आपको यही करना है इसको. So then they did.
Because I feel like the generation that is coming up, the interior designers, they might have the skills and everything, but when it comes to, you know, giving authority or commanding and all that, they might face a challenge in that. So to them, how would you say to go about? Like in
See,
your case, once, twice, thrice.
Yeah.
But you know how the Gen Zs are, the patience level is like, nahi karo, mat jao. So how would you tackle that situation?
I think even if he's a Gen Z or whatever,
Yeah.
like if he's in like initial stages of his sites or you know this career, he might also face the same issue.
Okay.
Yeah, it's not like that I'm a female, so मेरे साथ ही ऐसा हो रहा है, या he's a male, so उसके साथ ऐसा नहीं हो रहा है. It's not like that. It can happen to anybody, and
All right.
yeah, it's just how you talk to them, like you know, respectfully उनसे बात करके वो चीज मनवा के करना.
Nice. Okay.
So it's good.
It's all about the way you communicate.
Yeah.
Okay. Nice.
Because I feel like every time you just can't go and argue and just, you know, just fire them or something like that in front of everybody कि नहीं आपको बोला है ऐसे ही करना है. That does not work. I mean, then that could be a major issue on site. I have seen a contractor who's left the site in between.
Oh God.
So I had to find some another contractor.
God.
But I mean, in a way it was good because sometimes you can't just run every time to the contractor saying ये नहीं हुआ वो नहीं हुआ. Apparently even you lose your control.
Right.
So but then ठीक है, you have other contractors also. So he helped me do and he was really good.
Okay.
Yeah, they listen to you. And I mean today's generation, they all are very good in all of this. So no tips giving. They all are very well versed already. So.
Okay, guys, we have a support on your side. Speaking about running about, do you have a work-life balance as an interior designer?
Yeah, I balance my work.
You do?
Yeah, I do. Sometimes I'm very lethargic, so sometimes I just avoid not going on site.
Okay.
But you know, I definitely try to handle things, or like you know, on calls or something like that.
Okay.
But it's easy. I mean, see, I told you I'm my own boss.
Okay.
So there's no one above
Right.
me, or
There's no
there is no one under me.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
they're just keeping like pressurizing me. You know, you have to do this, you have to do that.
Exactly.
And,
Like
no.
clients message you like around 9 o'clock. Do
Yeah,
you
that
reply?
is okay. Yeah, that is
Okay.
I mean, no, I don't feel that that's a problem. I mean,
Okay.
see, it's not like that they are texting you at 12 in the night or, you know, midnight,
Right.
ye baki and all of that. I mean, that's not happened to me yet.
Oh, nice.
None of my clients, they have never texted me, you know, after, like post 11 also.
Okay.
Like, they don't even call post 11. So, I have not faced that thing in my life. So, it is balanced.
So you have kept that boundary, like
Yeah.
after work. There's
Yeah, I don't see. It's like if I know that why that some person is, you know, why that particular person is calling me, and if I have that answer to them, I definitely try and you know communicate it at that moment.
Okay.
But if I know that okay fine, I know कि मुझे client क्यों phone कर रहा है because वो काम नहीं हुआ है.
Right.
So rather than just arguing with him, I feel okay fine, it's avoidable. I'll just not pick up his call. I'll just text him that you know can we
Right.
talk later, and I'll make sure that thing happens. Because see, I am aware what is happening on site, but the
Right,
client
right.
sometimes is not aware, and he is like कि नहीं आज बोला था ये हुआ क्यों नहीं. But even we have to listen to the contractors. I mean एक दिन में तो कुछ, it's not like कि आज ही बोला था और आज ही wardrobe बन जाएगा.
Exactly.
So you can avoid some situations by not picking up calls, but just texting that, hey, can we just talk later?
Okay.
I'm in a meeting or something like that. Like I'm busy something. So
Mhm.
then that happens the next.
The next,
So yeah.
So there's no stress.
No,
ये
no,
आज ही
no.
करना है and all that.
See,
stuff.
I can't take stress. I can't work under pressure. I can't work, and I
Okay.
don't feel, I want to take pressure off work.
Yeah, the world is not ending.
Yeah,
कल भी हो
I
सकता
mean,
है.
हाँ, हो सकता है ना.
Yeah.
And who said कि you only have to be number one? I'm like, if I'm happy in being number two, it's okay.
Nice, love that.
Yeah, I mean, I can't run, I can't take pressure because I cry a lot sometimes then. If I take
Okay.
too much pressure, I cry a lot and then everything just passes on to my friends, to my family.
Okay.
So that thing I don't want, but that happened where I was, working.
Okay.
I was working under someone. Because that time, I was stuck because, not stuck. It's like I have to be there 9 to 5. Sorry, not 9 to 5. It's 10 to 6 or 10 to 7. But
Right.
you have to reach there by 10. But leaving time is never fixed.
You feel like you're controlled, right?
Yeah. So I feel that, no, okay, fine. I have to be here. So I have to be here.
Okay.
So at that time, sometimes it was just being a lot of tedious to me that, I'm just not able to handle things.
Okay.
But then I decided, I can't work under pressure because that's who I am. And I don't want to take pressure. If things are happening smoothly, why not?
Yeah, exactly. You don't have to stress. And
Yeah,
work
but
and all
this pressure comes when, it's the time of handover.
that.
But
Yeah,
that pressure I
think
really like because,
कुछ हो रहा
sofa
है.
is coming in, center tables are coming in, dining
Right.
table, chairs, lights. I mean, you see a lot of
Right.
colors around you. So that pressure I really like.
Your vision comes to life.
Yeah, I mean that planters coming in, I'm just going out and shopping the decor items.
Oh,
So it's
nice.
unboxing all of that. So that pressure I really like it.
Okay,
But other than
nice.
that, I don't take pressure.
I think you're the first person who said handover में मजा आता
हाँ, मुझे
है.
मजा आती है.
Okay,
Yeah.
nice.
I mean, once the painting and all of that it's done, I mean, when it's the setting up part, no, the styling part,
Right.
the decor part is I
Yeah.
really like.
Oh, nice. In your journey, what is the most weirdest client request you ever gotten?
मेरा 5 लाख का बजट है. Can you do a 2 BHK flat?
2 BHK, 5 लाख के बजट में. Wow. Oh my God.
So yeah, so that was.
What was the answer to that?
I'm like, just give me some time. I told you, if you can avoid, you can avoid.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah. So
5
that
lakh.
was something not weird. I mean, I don't know.
This is the segment that you all been waiting for. Will Ria spill the truth or will she sip her secrets? Let's find out. Cool, are you ready?
No. I am ready.
So the game is either she sips or she spills by the question I asked. And if she has 2 back-to-back shots, the third one she has to answer. Cool?
Done.
Ready? Good. Your first question. Who in the architect industry do you think is overrated? Naam hai. Naam hai.
You can give me options.
No options. The first name that came in your mind is that one only.
Overrated.
Yeah.
Overrated तो कोई नहीं है यार. Like everybody is doing very good.
See, either you tell me the truth or you say.
I'm saying the truth.
ऐसा नहीं है.
I
You
swear I'm saying the
paused.
truth.
She's swearing.
No, I was just thinking that actually nobody is overrated. Like
Okay.
what they are doing in their field, like it's helping all of them.
Okay, so you don't
So
feel
it's not overrated. No.
No one is
I swear, guys, I'm not kidding. I'm not kidding.
very diplomatic answer, huh?
No, that was the truth.
Okay, cool. Your next question. Who would you consider your biggest competition in the industry?
Not competition, but someone I really like. I like someone. Definitely Riddhi Khosla.
Oh, okay.
She's not my competition.
Okay.
Definitely, but I really admire her work a lot.
Okay.
And that's the truth, guys.
Like.
I'm not lying. I swear I'm not lying.
Who is a star architect that you think is more about branding than skill?
Star architect.
See, she's getting names in her mind.
I'm just thinking that who is the appropriate one. Can you just repeat the question?
Who is a star architect that you think is more about branding than their skill?
Sukhavar.
Shukha. Oh, Karan Desai. Okay.
But he's more into this, brands and all of that, I feel.
Still, we got a name. Finally,
Yeah.
she answered. Cool. Less controversial. Who inspired you to become an architect?
Inspired me.
Yeah.
Nobody. I inspired myself. I only wanted to be this.
Okay.
Yeah, nobody.
No one. On your own.
I
Nice.
said I had nobody, like in my family, relatives, or I've not even seen. Like
Okay.
social media तो अभी इतना आया. Like back then, like after like I completed my studies, तभी तो
Right.
like I had no idea कि like what people are doing and all.
Who would you most likely to collaborate with one of your major projects? Who would you collaborate with?
With Karan Desai.
See, now she's just...
See, with Karan Desai. I want to be on his podcast to cover. Even he's a Gujju. Even I'm a
You're
Gujju.
on our podcast.
He's a Gujju. And
Yeah,
I'm also a Gujju. So I want to be on his podcast.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you would like to collaborate with Karan Desai?
Yeah. Or for his podcast.
Or for his podcast. Okay. And in terms of profession?
Not really.
No one.
No.
Okay. Fine. Solo.
Yeah.
Nice. Who do you think copied someone else's work and took all the credit?
From Pinterest.
No. Project se lekar. For example, you did a project and you saw the similar design, similar concept in someone else's project.
No, I don't know. I don't know. So I seriously don't know. Who
Okay.
copies? And posted on social media? No.
Okay.
I swear I don't
Safe
know.
answer. Safe.
I swear I don't know. That's the reason I asked you, na? Like for Pinterest you're talking or for what?
No, like for
No.
example, you did a project
Huh.
and you saw the
No,
same-
yeah, who will copy the design? No, nobody. Nobody has copied my design.
Not your design, anyone.
No, I don't know then.
Okay.
I don't know. I honestly don't know.
She's not taking a coffee shot, yeah.
Yeah, because I don't
She's
like
avoiding
coffee.
it. Okay, good. When it comes to materials, who is ruling the surface industry?
Like now, if
Hmm.
I'm here, so yeah, I hope you know the answer.
Okay.
So
No,
I
we
think-
want to hear the answer.
No, so I'm definitely like I've seen this. I'm really liking it. So it's
Oh,
honest
that's-
answer.
That's really sweet.
You really want me to have a shot? I'll
Yes,
just have.
please. Can we have a shot?
No. You have to ask your question.
What project in your career are you most proud of?
My grandfather's project, The Office, what I did, which
Okay.
I have already posted on my social media.
Okay.
So rather than me being very, proud of it, he is actually proud of it. He is
Okay.
just showing every client entering, like, ये इसने किया है, ये रिया ने किया है, ये उन्होंने. So
Oh,
that
that's
is
sweet.
the proudest moment, I feel.
You feel overwhelmed when your clients
Yeah,
are more happy.
I love it.
Yeah, that's
I
nice.
like it.
Okay.
I mean, किसको नहीं पसंद है तारीफ?
Right.
I तो like doing it. And I love people doing it. So
Okay.
yeah. But because he's genuinely like done his office like after what 25 to 30 years के बाद he
Oh.
did, and he said कि no Riya, you do however you want, and there was no budget, nothing like no he wants something like this or something like that, nothing. It was all up to me,
Oh,
and it turned out
nice.
really, really, really well. He's so happy, and even I am happy.
Do you think all awards given to the architects or interior designers in this industry are paid?
So now I have to. I don't know, but still I will have.
Ooh.
Even you know the answer, but you just want to know it from me.
What's the best piece of design advice you have ever received?
Do any project you get, like no matter if it's a small project or a big project.
Okay.
So just do it. He was not my mentor, but
Okay.
he's just someone I met through an event, and
Okay.
he just said, like, you should do any project you get.
Okay.
And you should not just restrict yourself by saying ki I don't work under this budget, or I just work only on like large scale projects. So that is
Okay.
something I really like.
Okay, nice. You played the game very well.
Yay, I'm happy.
She just took one
I just had one shot.
coffee shot.
Oh God, that was really nice.
Cool. Just last question.
Oh, that was not cut.
Yes. No, that was okay.
Oh, shit.
What is the biggest misconception about your industry?
Working with friends and relatives, like working projects for your friends and relatives, is something what I have heard. Like,
Okay.
you should not work because, that will create a conflict between you and your relative or maybe your friend. So I feel they are the first ones who will trust you without even seeing your work or your portfolio. They are the ones that give you a chance
Okay.
because they know you. So I feel you should take privilege for that thing and you should do. And yeah, that is the biggest thing that I've heard, that not doing the projects for them, but I feel I should do, like everyone should do. And I have also done.
Before I leave you, I just want to know, how was your experience on Sip or Spill?
I really liked it and it was really great. It was fun.
Okay.
I felt like we are in Coffee with Karan. Yeah, it's good that I only had one.
Yeah, sad.
So sad.
Need to add in more controversial questions.
You can ask me more.
Oh yeah, she was.